Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a installation problem. So in case you cannot install a games or application on BlueStack on your laptop or on your PC, maybe you install the wrong version of BlueStack. For example, if you not yet install the BlueStack, you can try to install the newest one, BlueStack 10. Or you can see all the version here by clicking the from the official website. Here for Windows, optimized for Windows 11, of course, you can try to download the Android 11 64-bit or Nougat 64-bit or even Pi 64-bit. Not download Do not download the 32-bit version. Here you can download the 64-bit edition. If you already installed the 32-bit edition or version, you can try uninstall it now. So you can try to install the 64-bit. This is BlueStack 5, BlueStack 4. Of course, if you prefer BlueStack 4, please use the Nougat 64-bit or Hyper-V Nougat 64-bit. So this is how you can try to install Free Fire or another software or games that need 64-bit a edition of operating system. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.